Hello everybody, today I'm going to do a YouTube video. I've got this fidget box and I love it so much. Wait, I put them in the wrong bit. It's cracked, that one is. I got this box yesterday and I got that one like years ago, and then so I'm going to do this fidget video today. So I've got this. I think it's a whale, a narwhal. I think it's a narwhal. Got this squishy ice cream. Squish. And then I've got this, this butterfly slap bands. Got a few slap bands. Got this unicorn slap band. Wait there, maybe get it. Okay. It's a watch unicorn slap band. It's a bit dirty because I found it. I've got this. I love this one. It's soft, so if it slaps, it doesn't hurt. It's a snake one. Oh my gosh. You can't run away from me. Okay. So, it's a snake. I got this at the Melbourne Zoo. So cute. Then I've got this cupcake squishy, my favourite. This koala, so cute. This sand bowl, this is one of my favourite stress balls. It's like sandy, it's like sandy inside. Then I've got this bulldog. It's so cute, stretchy. This unicorn. Stretchy, this one stretches a lot. Then I've got this whoa, stretchy. I've got this bluey slap band. I got this off a friend last year when I was in grade 1. It's a bluey slap band. It's so cute. Okay. And then I've got this. I'll try to open it. Well, I'll try to open it. I can't really open it, but you can see it's like a Rubik's Cube. And I've got... It's one of my favourites. And then, oh my gosh. I've got... There we go. I've got this snake one. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Blue snake. I actually got these in the claw machine. You only pay like $2 and everybody wins. Like if you don't get it first time, you get a few goes. Then I've got this ice cream. Squishy. Okay, and I've got this dog, and it's the colour's fading away, but I love it still. Got these big turtle ones, and I've got this mini blue pig. Got this paw, and then I've got I'll show that one last. This stretchy fox. I think it's a fox. Wait, did I draw that? Oh my god, the eye's coming off. I did not play with that. It's a fox, I think. This one I was coming off a bit. It's a dog. I drawed it a bit, so it looks better. It's my bunny I got a long time ago. So cute. Then I've got this. I can't say it. This munchkin, I think. I don't know. I've got this puppet bag, my favourite. And then I've got this. So noisy. Okay, that's all on that door. Okay, next I've got this green puppet. And then I've got this rainbow puppet. Then I've got this Christmas tree. I'll show you how it goes. Oh my gosh. I'm sure one of you, lots of you have it. But I don't know. a star for it. Star. Can't find the star to it. Yeah, it's okay. It has a star on top. I love this one too. Got this donut, one of my favorites. I actually got it in a show bag. Then I've got this little cupcake keyring. Got these big hearts, poppets. And then I've got this bunny rabbit. I got it yesterday at the, I don't know what the shop's called, but it's so cute. And I've got this stretchy teddy bear, but they normally break a lot. And I've got this, a wacky track, I think. It's so fun. And I've got, you'll love this one, watch. Colour change, bowl, love that one. Got this humongous bowl. Oh no, have to throw that one out. It's losing its air. Oh my gosh, oh no. And then I've got this big one, plus my name's Arias. I've got this sparkly blue bowl. Got this in a claw machine too, in a bowl, in a bundle. It's like an egg in a pan. Then I've got this green unicorn. Then I've got this a purple bracelet fidget. And I've got this, wait, I can hold it on my finger. Wait. Yeah, like that. Ready? I'll show you guys. Ready? See, I'm really good at balancing stuff. This orange, that's my only fruit fidget. And then I've got this stretchy. And then I've got this, it sticks to the wall. Oh God, I dropped it. I'll get it. Oh my God. Because I have a cabinet right there. I've got this. I just showed you, it sticks to the wall. It's a fidget squishy tooth. Got this. So fun. This last one, this is my big poppet. That's my only big one. Okay. Please subscribe. I'm begging you. This is my fidget video today. Hope you like it. Bye.